Good afternoon guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin and in today's video we are visiting this area. It's called Kanka. What I've done is I have taken the left from the big circle or roundabout, whatever you want to call it, that goes towards Mapsa. So there's a left turn that goes towards Kanka, and that is the left that I've taken. And I decided to show you this area today because of multiple reasons. First of all, it is very close to Parra. In fact, I think Kanka falls in Parra. I'm not sure if it's a separate area or what. But as you can see here, there's quite a lot of greenery here. There's a mix of greenery. Plus, you will get to see a lot of homestays, very nice villas, some restaurants. Talking about restaurants, I had a bad experience here when I had visited the restaurant, but I really don't want to take the name of the restaurant because it belonged to Goan, and he had some, I guess, temporary staff working for him, and yeah, it can happen guys. But we have not visited any other restaurants in Kanka. If you are visiting any restaurant, please make sure that you perform your checks. Make sure that you check the reviews. In fact, we had seen the reviews of the restaurant and we visited, and despite that the food was really bad. So I am guessing it was a one-off case because he was short of staff, or that was a new staff, I don't know. Not a good experience. Anyway, let's keep moving further. I'll not take the name, but I'll say that it's on my right somewhere over here, so you should figure it out. Anyway, let's keep moving forward. As you can see, there are two-wheelers. They were going really fast. Look at this view on my right. I'm not sure if you can see it, and on the left here as well. It's very beautiful. Okay, Nuste Curry, this one I've heard is very good. The reviews also look good, and some vloggers who have visited, food vloggers, they mentioned it's good. So yeah, I'm really curious to try that. Trust me guys, even I don't trust them easily. I always check Google reviews, and if you've seen our videos, we always go by Google reviews or word of mouth, and we do not do any paid reviews. Yes, if we go to a particular place and if they are willing to pay us, definitely you are welcome. And I always say, as much as you want to give, that's totally up to you, but that will not affect my review. If it's good, I'll say it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. It's as simple as that. I make it very clear with the person. But yes, even though we end up giving honest and good reviews in some places, despite that the restaurant, some kind owners don't charge. So yeah, it really helps because we end up taking a lot of items, and the bill comes up to like 2, 3, 4,000. So yeah, thanks to such restaurants we are able to show you many places where you can eat some very good food. Okay, let's keep going straight. I actually wanted to take the right from some part behind, but let's see where this road takes us. This will take us somewhere towards Asagaon side, if I'm not mistaken. Look at this. What is this? Is it a temple? I'm not sure. But golden and white color look very, different. Architecture look very nice. It's drizzling right now, guys, and I'm not supposed to use this camera, but it's not that bad. So I will try to use it as much as I can. If you saw, there was a pink rickshaw, auto rickshaw that passed by. So it's ridden or driven, I don't know what's the right term, by female riders or drivers. Let me just take a right from behind because I know this road will take us towards Asagaon side somewhere, and I don't want to go that. But I saw some really nice areas, and guess what? This is my first time as well. This is called Haradi Wado. This is my first time as well entering this lane here. So let's see what's there over here. Looks very nice, and as you must have noticed in my videos, in the narrow lanes you'll find houses like this. What a beautiful, beautiful place. I mean places we see in some areas, the houses especially. Doggy man here, he's got a very funny run. He's running, but he's running straight, but at the same time he looks like he's running sideways. So yeah, each dog, by the way, has different characters, just like us. They have their little personalities. How do I know that? We have 2 dogs at home, and it's really nice to see doggy men on the way, unless and until they are not aggressive. I'm happy to see them, and I'm sure you love the doggy men comments as well. And by the way, big shout out to our members, Bambina, Michael, Savio, Karthik, and who did I miss? Who did I miss? Dale. How can I miss Dale? Dale has been watching our videos since such a long time. Alright, look at this, guys. So I was really expecting to visit this parts of Kanka. I'm not sure if we're still in Kanka, but look at the greenery on the right. Perfect. That's what we need, guys. We need a mix of development and nature. We can't just run behind development and ignore nature, right? We need nature. I don't know. I've just gotten so used to seeing greenery now that I just don't want to see buildings anymore. I don't know what your opinion is, but I really hope, in future people in Goa get easy access to employment, and at the same time they maintain the nature here, because so many Goans have to leave their families and go abroad and work. Yes, it's a good experience for a little while, but if you have to be there for years and years, and if you cannot take your family with you, it gets very lonely, and it's a mess. It's basically breaking apart families. So I really hope, in terms of employment, Goa has many opportunities, and I urge all the locals, if you have a place and if you can start a business, please do that. Look at this beautiful place here on the right. What is this? Looks like a church and a villa at the same time. I have no idea what this is. Wow, this place is so big. I had no clue like this place is going to be this big. This places remind me somewhat of Giri and Saligaon, those areas. Very nice. Should I go straight or should I take a left? Okay, let's just go straight. Look at the buildings over here. Who would expect these areas to have so many structures? Luckily it stopped raining now, at least for me. I don't mind if it rains heavily once I'm done with the video. Don Bosco Hospitality Institute. Okay. So this looks like some, I don't know what, catering college or what? Hospitality Institute, I'm assuming it's like people who learn their cooking skills and stuff. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. What is this? Is this a local bus? Parla Kanka Parra. Yes, this looks like a local bus. And let's just go take a left from here, because the straight looks like a dead end. Doggy man looking for grass. If you wonder why dogs eat grass, it's for digestion. One of our dogs, she does that very, very often. And the other guy, he just eats each and everything. You will not believe it. Okay, first of all, let me introduce them. They are called Macho and Feni. Macho obviously is the male, Feni female. Macho loves samosa. He loves patties, and he can eat each and everything. He is a dog who loves food, and he appreciates different flavors on his palate. But on the other hand, Feni is very selective and very choosy about the food that she eats. I think she's got a sensitive gut, so she ends up chewing grass very often. Is this road going to take me to Khorlim, or am I already in Khorlim? I don't know. But it has started drizzling, guys, and this guy just flashed. So I have the trees over here covering, nice tree cover. That's why I cannot feel the rain that much. But Sorry, I was just checking if the rain will hit the lens. I think it will. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.